What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Mi 9. Now, this is 4K 30 frames per second. Now, I know a lot of folks were saying that the stabilization on the 4K 30 is much better on the Mi 9. So, I wanted to give you guys an example because I know the 4K 60 was a little shaky and not as smooth as you need it to be. So, this is a good option. So, if you want to shoot video instead of doing 4K 60, you do 4K 30. Now, focus on it is on point. The colors are beautiful. The audio sounds really good. So this is a good option for you if you do have this phone. If you whip it out of your pocket and you want to do 4K, do 4K 30, which isn't a deal breaker if you ask me, as far as having, great quality video, because 4K to me is 4K. But if you really do need the 4K 60, then I do not know what to tell you. That is something that you're going to have to work through. But as you can see, you guys let me know what you guys think of this smoothness or not smoothness. But it seems like it's pretty cool. Let's do a little zoom in here on the soccer ball. Yeah, that seems real nice, real nice. We'll go out here again, take a little shot of the lake, do a little pan for you. The dog's hanging out, so hyper. Going for a walk here soon. There you go, there's a nice little zoom. Let's go in on this coconut here. There you go. Nice little zoom there. But yeah, man, this is the 4K 30 frames per second. So if you want to get involved, you could do that as far as having better quality video on your Mi 9. So this looks like it looks pretty good. I'm going to start walking over here so you guys can see the smoothness. But that's going to do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud. Also on Instagram at Android Stud for more videos like this on the Mi 9 and much more other smartphone devices and accessories right here on Android Stud. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate everything you guys do. Peace.